Amobi, where are you coming from?
What kind of nonsense and useless question is that?
Amobi, what a useless question.
Yes! Don't start with me this afternoon.
You cannot do anything. You can do nothing. You have not finished with Mwanyacha. Now you are switching over to another woman. Why can't you concentrate on your own wife, Wabobi?
Titus, you are very stupid.
More stupid?
Yes!
Okay, no problem. But I know you are coming from her house. Amobi. I am now Wagua Bwezi boy. I ought to make Wagua joy. If I didn't want you,
Titus, for you, I am very much aware. I am very much aware that you are my greatest enemy in this village. The worst enemy I ever had. The worst enemy I still have. The worst enemy I will have in the 10,000 years to come. So you can accuse me anyhow you want. You are not my problem.
I will be no problem. I'm going to your house to tell your wife. I think get up madu. If I didn't know when your mother you book, ask when I got on your mobi. I will tell your wife so that when you die tomorrow, we will know the cause of your death.
It is you that will die today. There won't be time for you to live till tomorrow. You will die today. Then I will tell you why I am called Amobi. Shut up! Anovia.
Ask when I got on you. Anovia. You continue chasing people's wives. Concentrate on your own wife. You have a good wife.
Keep moving around to see people progressing.
You have a good wife. Concentrate on your wife and leave people's wife alone. I saw you and I will tell them. Everybody will know your wife. I will tell your wife.
Not allow you to live tomorrow. You will die today.
Useless man.
You will die on the road.
Idiot.
What do you want from me?
Stop shouting. Why shouting? I was the one who called you.
Be fast, I'm in a haste.
At times you behave as if we are enemies. Look, see, Chiwe, you can see me. I'm a very handsome man, very strong.
Are you talking or I should go?
You are saying the same thing now.
Chiwe, I want to see you, Chiwe.
To see her for what? Don't you have sense? Don't you see that we are discussing?
Let's go, leave this man.
I said I want to see
this wicked man.
My wife gave me a message for you to give you in one corner.
Yes, one corner. Two corners.
I will kill you. I will kill you. What are you doing with this woman? I said my wife gave me a message for her and you are blocking my way. Don't allow me to deal with you.
Don't you wear me? Don't you wear me? Mind yourself.
Amobi.
I will tell the whole world that you are not a rapist.
You are a wicked man. You're a wicked man.
You're a wicked man. A wicked man.
Amobi is stepping on my toes. And I will show him at no distant time the stuff I am made of. Okwagi. Amobi. Baba can't Okwagi. Hey. Niko wanya nchumwete go no. Amobi abia blood dachi. Ano bata ichi bonta. Hey. Amobi.
Titus.
Give me.
I've come to talk to you because when I get the number.
Give me.
Because what I have to tell is very important. Amobi is not happy with you at all. He reported to me that you took food to the daughter-in-law in the farm, letting her to eat. That you will fill the vacuum created by the husband's death. What is the meaning of that?
Is that all? No, tell me. That just all. That is the offense I committed. Now tell me, what offense did I commit by taking food to a widow in the farm? If it's a joke, just stop that joke. Is the Amobi in question? Is he interested in the same woman? Stop playing that game. Stop playing that dirty politics that you are playing now. You understand? Amobi you are talking about now is in control of 4 widows. Namely, Mama Amara, let Ojinta's wife Rose, let Okoro's wife, even Uju, let Thomas' wife. No, defend it, let me see.
What are you talking about? Huh?
You are sent to come and interrogate me or to go and find fault for me. Or do I tell you your own? You were in question. You are in control of 4 widows. No, let me name them.
That's not why I'm here. I'm not here to battle with you.
Why are you here? Tell me why
you're here. I'm here to warn you for only one thing. Stay away from a Chizoba.
Clap for yourself.
Stay away from Chizoba. I will not warn you again.
You want me to stay away from Chizoba?
Yes.
Let me tell you the truth. I'm not interested in Chizoba. If I'm interested in Chizoba, it could have been a foregone conclusion. Yes, I was only paid to do what I did, and I have no regret whatsoever. I mean it.
You were paid?
Yes, now.
To do what you did?
Of course. I'm not afraid of Natu. Keep quiet. Look at your wife, Chinwe. She is hell and hearty. Yet you have 4 solid widows looking for the 5th one. Tell me, is that not overdose? Is that not overdose? Are you not
maybe a lady. Or when you're saying I call widow, 4 widow, 5. I will not warn you again. Stay away from Chizoba. Agbalangi now. Titus.
I pity you.
What's I did in Ugesha? Agbalango.
You make me in a very good mood. If not, I will sample you. I'm off here. Tell you, can't go give you. Nonsense.
Are you okay? You look worried.
I'm worried. I'm worried about Chizoba's condition. You know, sometimes I put myself in her shoes.
I'll travel tomorrow to the village. I'll settle the matter.
The best way to settle this matter is to take her out of that village. Bring her to the city. We can rent 1-bedroom apartment for her and her son. You know?
You think that's the best?
Yes, that's the best. Bring her out. Bring her here to the city. Let her cool off. Just forget about everything.
I don't think so, but let me get to the village first, eh? My love.
You know, sometimes I just wonder if this is the same thing that will happen to me. You know?
Only?
No, I mean, let's face it. He's your brother, and
Darling.
Just look into it. Just look into it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where are you coming from?
I actually went to see my mom.
Oh, how is she?
She's fine.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Come in, let's go home. Come in, let's go.
Amobi, what I want from you is my ancestral land.
It's impossible. Very impossible. You cannot eat your cake and have it. That land was used as collateral, and since you couldn't meet up, the land is gone. Oh, do you say me? Go, yeah, this is it.
Amobi, from now henceforth, I don't want to see anybody in that land, including you.
If that's the reason you killed my son, hey, let me tell you something. Eh? Again. Let me tell you. Again. Titus.
Is that what you are saying to me?
Was I having water in my mouth when I talked to you?
Okay. Amobi, I advised you not to start a fight that you can't.
Oh, come on, cut out. Cut out, who are you? Who are you?
You want to know who
yes!
I am?
I want to know who you are. Look at you. Oh, go on. Titus. Eh? We're on another reserve. You don't have reserve. You hear Bubazu on a mirror. I go Putagi. Ami Hogami, Esiegesi, Atag. That is who you are. You're very capable. If you're Kupu, and I say, who are you?
Amobi, I'm Titus. Really. But remember, Titus is not sardine. It's not.
Yeah, sardine! I'm going to be sardine. I'm Kupu. Come, get out. I should get out.
We shall see.
Let me tell you something. We are seeing nothing. There is nothing we will see. Mark, listen. Oh, don't provoke me further. Don't provoke me further. You have killed my son, and it seems as if I'm keeping quiet. I'm not keeping quiet. That's my name. Makodi can I have from? I general orange. Eh? Don't point at me.
This second time, I said, do not start a fight that you cannot finish. That is my advice for you.
Ekuchago.
Get out. No, get out.
Naba.
No problem. Abachegu onanu.
Where ukwa nana?
Nsobadu. Abachegu onanu.
Ukumubu spring where ukwa nana? I don't. Yeah. Wokem. Any day you try that nonsense again, you have done what you have done. Don't allow me to use machete.
Get away. Get away from me.
Why am I even wasting my strength on this? Come on, get out! Get out from there! Look, don't think that you have escaped. You have not escaped. I will fight the death of Onyeka to the last.
I will.
Come on, get out! Get out!
We shall see.
Let me reserve my strength.
We shall
see nothing. Okwifu, by tomorrow, I will see you no more. Gone too soon. No, I
if I'm not going to take your time.
Ezuria. Titus, Ezuria.
What happened to Onyeka? Your son will happen to you if you don't take time.
Oh, see, come on, come on, banana drop here. Come on, get out. Nonsense. You see, because okay, don't worry, we shall see. When you see me on the road next time, challenge me.
I will come to your house and deal with you. Not only on the road. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Not right, the finger that feeds you is dangerous, so dangerous. Do not pray, evil for good, it's so deadly. Do not right, the finger that feeds you is dangerous, so dangerous. Do not pray.
If you are tired, you should go in and rest.
It's okay. I need to finish what I'm doing before I go into rest.
And Papa hasn't come back.
Maybe you should ask his wife of his whereabouts.
His wife?
Yes, now.
I don't understand.
Chizoba, of course. That's his latest one. It's not a laughing matter.
Mama, please do not say that again, eh?
So, Boadio, I don't understand what is going on. Do you know that for some time now, I've hardly sat down with your father to discuss as husband and wife?
Really?
If no point, there says it. Eh?
Hey,
that's the truth, man.
Do you want me to help you?
No, don't let your hand too. Too many weevils here. Now you got any beans.
Okay. Hey.
Papa, welcome.
How is your wife and your daughter doing?
They are fine, thank you. They are fine. Papa, it's like you overstayed in the farm today.
Oh, the work there is tedious. What else can I do?
Maybe he was there with one of his concubines.
Mama.
Will you guide your tongue?
You think I don't know what I'm talking about? I know what I'm talking about. Go see on your dreams, all the rashes on your back.
Mama.
Chris, forget about this woman. You know women with their favorite mindset. Please, let's go inside.
You know I never lie. I don't assume you here.
Come, let's go
inside. I'm sure if you had checked, if you had zip, yeah. Nonsense.
Before the demise of Onyeka, we all lived in peace in this family. I want us to embrace that peace again.
Chris, I don't have problem. As the head of this family, I've decided to tread in the path of peace. Your mother insulted me yesterday, but that's not a problem.
Mama, you're not saying anything. Mama, let bygone be bygone. Let us all live in peace together again. Wherever Onyeka is, he would be happy to see you living in peace with Chizoba.
All I want is my son back. I want Onyeka back.
Mama.
Onyeka, where are you? Where are you, Onyeka? I told you that there is no way I would live this life without you. Yet you left me. Onyeka, if you were still alive, nobody would maltreat me in this house. Onyeka, if you were still alive, nobody would treat me like I'm some piece of trash. Onyeka, where are you? Wait. No, who is she referring to? No, wait, who is she referring to? This maltreatment is too much, oh. No, you should go back, oh. See what?
Have you seen
wait.
Chris, have you seen?
Is she referring to me?
Did I not say that I have decided to make peace, but look at your mother now?
Papa.
You know, this is peace, really. Anything more than this would have been pieces. I would have attacked her. What is the meaning of this?
Mama, please, Biko. Biko, she's not talking to you. She wasn't referring to you.
You see, you would have been treated like a piece of guinea. Ask me, I will tell you the piece of what you are.
Mama, please. Let peace reign.
No, but that is peace. It's raining now. I don't like giving one just to knock them up when you and your father sitting there looking at her. Now say, Mama.
I'm in total support of your husband and your son. A month or 2 months you spend in the city will do you good, and you come back refreshed.
Rapifa, I haven't forgotten what she did to me the last time I was there. Angela, yes.
You mean she did not treat you well?
She didn't treat me well, and I am not in a hurry to forget.
Hey, that girl. Hey.
I go. Mama, no go kill me.
Hey, Mama. Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you.
Here's your breakfast.
And you?
It's okay. English breakfast.
English breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. English breakfast. Hi. Chineke. Was really baby. Let me call. When he's there, you would think he's.
Ago. English breakfast at the bar. Ago. Lago. Emano gago po one degele. One. Ago. Lago. Emano.
You're here.
Yes, I am.
I was looking at your door.
Oh no, I'm here.
Lunch is ready. Should I?
Lunch is ready.
Yes.
Save it here. Save
Okay.
it here. Is it Mama? Hey. Thank you, Jesus. Nina Abiazino. What are killing a Jane? But a million. This one is not necessary. Thank you. All the main action. Oh, Kizinima. Fetch us over Maka. Yabaziano. Oh. Fago na mama. Take it easy, eh? Yes. Yeah, just take it easy. I need to find a
I put it just in case.
Okay, Levifa. No. What is this? Eh? This girl wants to stab me to death in my own son's house. Angela! Yeah. What's the meaning of this?
You don't like the food?
What do you mean I don't like the food? If I have food. Look at. This is just two Bennies. Look at it now. You should offer one win. Look at the second one win. This can't sustain me now.
I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't know you eat much.
You did not eat much. This one is not even more comfortable. Listen, in the morning you gave me this breakfast. Now this one.
Don't worry, Mama. I'll make it up for you at dinner.
Thank you for dinner.
Yes.
I'm Boteka. I would die before then now because what have I done to deserve this? In my own son's house?
No, Mama. Okay. Okay, I'll see what I...
Will you bring it now?
I'll have to start preparing it.
Angela, give me Cameli. Did you know that the next time she did the same thing? Mm-hmm. Yes. Hey. And I almost starved to death that period. Hey. Man, it won't happen again. I'm not going anywhere.
But you never complained to your son that the food she was serving you was small.
That wasn't why I was there. Hey. That wasn't why I was there. I wasn't there to cause confusion between husband and wife.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mama.
Nana.
Go and freshen up so that we can leave.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm not going with you. Oh, Biko, I don't want to go to the city.
Why?
What's why? He said, why? Because I don't want to go. This is my matrimonial home. Besides, your father is alive, hale and hearty. I don't want to go anywhere. In short, it is that widow that should be the one going out. I'm not leaving my matrimonial home for anyone.
Mama, do not see it like that. You are just coming to my house to rest, and in no time you will be back again.
But I don't want to go because leave me here. I'm happy. I'm okay here.
She complained that the last time she came to your house, your wife nearly starved her to death.
What? This is the first time I'm hearing this.
Well, you were not supposed to hear. If you were supposed to hear, you would have heard before now. I don't want to go to your house, Biko. I'm okay. Asale.
Please, stop being difficult. Please go in and freshen up so that we can leave. I promise you that such a thing will not happen again.
It's not difficult. Anyway, I don't want to go. By the way, what are we even talking? If your brother and Nyaka were alive, would you invite me to your house? No, would you?
Mama!
Am I lying?
What are you saying?
But I'm telling you the truth. He invited you to come. Ngi wa zero I just chap.
Nem soro ni.
Isem so dey beginning. Ngi wa mare si pro wan. Please, I don't want anybody to upset me. Please. Kefi ne kwali ko.
And it's okay.
Am I lying?
Mama.
Chris, am I lying? Because don't disturb me. I'm staying in my husband's house. Because on me fene. As if ni mara na wunya ibube mo no. Onye fuezi okunya kwezi okuka me chike na no man na ekwu oku. Me chia no mami ga never. Thank God na me nyere mo. I didn't offer you anything to drink. You can go, please. I don't like women that gossip too much.
Like I was saying, what Neka said is true. There is no way one can report God to the most strongest deity in the whole world, because God's power supersedes every other powers. What I'm trying to say in essence is this: there is no way Chris will chase his mother out of his house because of a poor widow. Never. It can never happen.
Mama, I have heard you. But you see, Chris asked me to wait for him. I need to hear from him. There is no way I will leave whilst he asked me to wait for him. If not for anything, courtesy and respect demands that I should give him a listening ear. So let me hear him out first. Oh?
It is not necessary. Because I reported to that same Chris how Titus came and visited you in the farm and how you rejected him. Yet his mother accused you of infidelity. Chris promised of doing something, but up till now, he has done nothing about it. So why wait for him?
Mama, you know what? At this point, I am confused. I need some time to cool off my head. I need some time to myself.
I understand.
Please, I need peace.
I understand. See, I just want you to calm down and relax yourself, because Onyeka is dead, gone and gone forever. Nothing will bring him back to life. What I want you to do now is to come back home. Come back to your father's house. Immediately you do that, you will have peace. Thank God you are still young and beautiful. The chances of meeting or getting married to a wealthy man is there. Please.
Mama, I've heard you. Just give me some time to think about this. Huh?
It's okay.
I need to get going before our farm comes back from school.
No problem. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9.
Yes, Mama, I've heard you. That reminds me. The next time I'll come visiting, I'll tell you about the dream I had last night. For now, I have to get going.
Why don't you tell me about the dream now?
Now?
I was driving when you called.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Don't bother about getting the fufu again. Mama is not coming.
Is anything the matter?
It's a long story. But just save your money. Mama is not coming, so don't buy the fufu again.
Sweetheart, let Chizoba come with you. Let her come and spend a week or 2 here with us.
Okay.
Okay, Love wants to speak with you.
Okay, give her the phone. Good afternoon, my beautiful daughter. How are you? Something like what? A squirrel. I'm sure our farm is too young to catch a squirrel. Oh, really? Okay. I'll make sure to deliver your message, but I'm sure it's very late in the day to catch a squirrel. Okay.
Okay, darling. See you when you get back.
Oh, okay. I'll see you soon, my love.
Mama Soka.
Ada Soka.
Mama the mama.
My baby, I don't want
Mama.
Ada Soka.
Okay.
This excitement I'm seeing on your face,
Ha.
what is it for? Container got to go down.
Mama, what do you porridge? You know you go since.
Eh?
What? Oh yeah, Purugo Chineke
Money
since.
in your turamka, your mother
Mama, let me tell you something. Mama, I think it is time for me to have peace of mind.
Mama can say.
For at least 1 week or 2 weeks.
I know it. Your mother-in-law is about traveling back to the city.
What mess?
Hey, bagadam.
Mamijia. Mana. Oh, went to Pasha. That was the initial plan. All of a sudden, she decided to change her mind. So, Chris asked me to dress up and get ready, so I follow him to the city.
As in following him to the city?
I follow him in the city.
Hey, that is good news. But
Mama.
do you mean to tell me that you will stay up to 1 or 2 weeks? What about Afam? He will be absent from school.
Mama, you are this your grandchild.
He
He has written his third-term examination, so don't bother yourself. This is the proper and right time for him to go on break.
It's okay. Then you will get something for Angela. What gift will you give to her?
Mama, gift. My hands are tied to the mama. Mama, I meant I do not have anything to give Angela. Maybe some other time I'll prepare well before going. For now, I don't.
Oh, you don't have anything. Don't worry. I will come with you.
Mama, Soka!
Okay. Chizoba. It seems you are still angry with me.
Now in Titus, the last time I checked, this road does not belong to you.
Sure.
Okay, Boroza, are you doing off this road? Get out of my way.
Wait, you must greet me before you pass here.
Eh?
Yes.
Ose.
I said you must greet me first. Okay,
Titus or whatever they call you, you are very stupid. I can't say again now, you are mad. You see how drug him above vegan or all.
Oh, now call before.
Man, now before, what am I should greet you as hope.
Show me a widow in this community. Then I will tell you the minister in charge of her natural resources.
Natural resources kill you.
Are you talking to me like this?
Natural resources wogi.
Don't
Titus. Oh, Bonnie make a tabron wine, eh? I come out soon to be so bon. You are mad, you are sick in the head. What is your village my natural resources? Why does it concern you? Who use it or not? Who does not have it? Okay,
Chizoba, you are here. She's no longer left your house. Chris is almost ready to leave. You better rush home, unless you don't want to go with him again.
Thank you, ma. Oh my, this useless, old, stinking, wretched urchin that is.
So it's true.
What is true?
You are pestering around Chizoba that just lost her husband. I hope you know what Amobi is capable of doing to you.
Are you Amobi? Who is Amobi? Are you Amobi?
You're asking me.
Are you Amobi?
Hey,
Are you Amobi?
You're asking me.
What's your business in this?
The same man they accused of killing Onyeka is pestering around his wife. You think you can eat your cake and have it back?
Don't you see the way you spoil everything?
Nonsense.
I will switch my pendulum to you. I will. Then you be your turn.
It's my turn.
Nonsense.
Try it.
Nonsense.
Let my husband sit on you. I don't want to.
You allow her to go.
Hey.
Don't worry.
my grandson.
Grandpa, I'm gonna miss you.
Me too. But don't worry, you will come back again very soon.
Okay, yeah,
Please, I want you, when you go back, be very, very careful. Don't play too much. And study your books, huh? Also, of course, I trust you. Huh?
Papa,
that's the way.
We will call you when we arrive.
Bye, Grandpa.
Let's go. Do you want to eat your grandpa?
All right. Oh, my grandson. Have a remember what I said?
Yeah. Bye, Grandpa.
Thank you.
Bye. See you later.
And of course.
No.
Oh, you couldn't come out to at least bid them farewell.
What is bidding them farewell? Biko, now you just keep all that one to yourself. I beg, let them go, Biko. Let me enjoy my house in peace. Hey,
Chris, have you forgotten that you are making references to your daughter-in-law and your grandson as if though they are great crashers?
Wait, can you imagine? She didn't even get down to lock the gate. Eh? Nonsense.
You have started again.
Started what? Because now
let me go inside now.
Go inside. Okay, you came to bid them farewell.
Mamba zinime.
Mamba.
Oh, it's
Because let them go. Come balloon to Melife. Because
you pushed me?
Yes, I pushed you.
You pushed me?
And I will push you again. Go and lock the gate. Go and lock the gate because Seba I'll go on a bid for farewell. Go and lock the gate.
We're not going back to that village again. We will live here with Uncle.
Will you keep quiet? You need to go back to the village because you need to resume school.
I don't like that school. I will follow Lovett to her school.
But we can actually enroll him in Lovett's school.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yes, we can.
My uncle, when is Lovett going to come back from school?
She'll be back soon.
Yes. Auntie, your food is very sweet.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Go on, eat up. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You're welcome.
Enjoy your meal.
Let him enjoy the meal.
Because he did here. fine like this. So this is what Angela has been enjoying in the city all this while. Only for her. This whole place, they come out. Hey! Here you go, Lobiko. Look out, Dache. You fine. No wonder my son refused to go back to the village. Why would he go back to the village? The only thing we do there is farm. Hey! Get a wall of Lobiko. Look all rice.
Yamae, Meme go Lidania, Chimo Yamae, Ahune Chimba, Chimo Yamae, Olaya Mure, Chimo Yamae, Chimo Yamae, Meme go Lidania, Chimo Yamae. She married my piano, maybe we go, Ilana. She married my oh, you're she married my piano. I couldn't take my leg. She married my piano. She am my mom, she am my Chiama, she went over, Chiama, 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 she went over, Chiama, 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 Chiama.
That reminds me. Mama said she wants to talk to me later. I hope there's no problem. Oh, maybe she wants to talk to me about her family coming back to the village. Mama wants to talk to me later. Why you like that? She sounded so urgent. Help me.
My daughter said Afam insisted on not coming back to the village. I need to talk with Chizoba. I need to talk to Chizoba. And I will not be happy with her if she misses this opportunity. She has to be careful. Yes. Anyway, let me go to the farm first before I know what to do. Wait, how can my daughter be a widow at this early age? It is not a good thing at all. But what do I do? Let me just... This is the third time this thing is happening to me today. I hope it's not a sign of bad omen. Hi. Chukwu okike ya no aka. Nkwa no nwa.
So, I'm going now to see a friend in the hospital. She just put to bed to a bouncing baby boy.
Oh my God, really? That's
Yes.
good news.
Yes, it is.
Wow, congrats to her.
But I would love you to do something for me. Please, can you help me prepare lunch, please? My husband will be back any moment from now.
It's been done. I've done that already.
You have?
Yes, I prepared yam and egg sauce.
So thoughtful of you. What would I have done without you? Yeah. Wow. Okay, so I should run now.
I know the kind of thing you like. I'm still cooking in the kitchen. I don't want anything to distract me.
Oh, you're taking a bite there too?
Before Uncle, Obobi, eh?
When future no.
Take. Have you spoken to your daughter in law?
Yes, they are fine. I have no problem.
I wish they would just stay back in the city so that one will have peace here.
What do you mean by that?
I never could how peaceful this place is.
Oh. Peace is good.
Hey! I'm not seeing you. Second batch of
Please rush. I can't believe this. So my wife could be this happy? She now stay without fighting with me? Hell. Oh, I thank you. Chukwu kakabiama. Chukwu kakabiama ekene kwenga.
that now?
Make I see.
Hold on. Hold on. Last card.
No dey post that.
Calm down, make I finish first.
You see am? Oh yeah, come board. Still dey go market. Come board.
This one.
Last card. Bless you.
So we no go play again.
Wetin go happen be say make I open for am.
Dey go.
Then if I come back, we'll continue.
Okay.
No come out.
Welcome.
How could you choose that? How could you belittle yourself as to play what? With a gate man?
No,
An ordinary gate man?
That's not what happened. I finished cooking. So
And then you rest. Watch TV or something. You don't come and play what with an ordinary gate man. No, now.
I'm sorry. Correction. I've taken the correction. Yes, I'm coming. I was already coming.
Yes, my husband said I should call you.
Did I do anything wrong? Am I safe?
Well, I don't think he's happy with you, if I must tell you.
Have you eaten today?
No, sir.
And why is that?
Sir, it's not like I want to be starving myself, but I don't want to add too much weight, so I'll be able to do the farm work whenever I go back to the village. That's why.
Then you should have let my wife know, instead of keeping her in limbo.
My sister from another mother, I am sorry. I didn't know you were going to stress yourself out. I'm sorry.
Well, you're forgiven. And there's another thing I want to say. This John, he's a gatekeeper. I don't like the way you have to be careful.
Yes. Is there something going on between you and John?
No, we don't have anything together. We don't have anything in common. I just spend some time with him when there's nobody at home and when I'm done doing the house chores.
I want you to stop today.
Exactly.
I want you to have nothing to do with him. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, please, go to the kitchen and get something to eat.
Okay, sir.
having inferiority complex.
Well, it shouldn't be so. I mean, we'll be treating her as part of our family. She came from the village. I don't know why she should have inferiority complex. I just don't want that John thing. This Gatesman John. Nah, I don't want it.
John! John!
Mama Soka. Mwanye na kwaku.
Ada Soka.
Eh?
Good afternoon. How are you?
We thank God we are managing. What to do?
What of my little boy?
Mama, everybody is fine. Everyone is fine.
Oh, thank God, thank God. Ada Soka, what happened? You told me that you will only spend 2 weeks. But you have spent more than 3 months. Abandoning both your father and mother-in-law in the village. Eh? Even denying your son the opportunity of going to school.
Mama, how can you say such thing? Eh? See, I did not abandon you. I can never leave you. And besides, my son have started school in the city here.
Eh? Are you serious?
Yes, so Mama.
Hey, that's good. That's good. Congratulations to that.
Thank you, Mama. But nevertheless, I'll be coming back in 2 weeks' time.
Just like that?
Yes, so Mama. I have a lot of things to do in the village now. And I also have to weed the farm. Don't forget that.
Oh, that is good. That is good. What of Angela? Are you still in good terms with her?
Yes, Mama. Angela is fine. We don't have any issues at all.
Did you say yes, of course?
Mama, why would you be sounding like that? We don't have any issues at all.
I'm happy. God bless you, eh? Can't wait.
Mama, don't worry. I'll call you back. I'm busy for now. Mama Soka! Okay, Mama. I'm in the kitchen. I'll call you back. Okay, Mama. Yes, it's my mom.
How is she doing?
She's fine.
Okay. Alright, so I was thinking, this your hair, you've actually packed it well enough. So it's time for you to change it. Yeah, you need to have a hair redo, something more suitable for the city. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah. It's okay. Anything from you is fine.
Okay, so while you're washing, let me sort that out.
Okay. Thank you.
Papa, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good.
How can it not good? If you are disturbing my peace in this house.
Papa, you won't have any peace in this house until you do the needful. Papa, you are the cause of my problem.
How am I the cause of your problem?
Papa, go and remove all these things. They are blocking my way. They are blocking my progress. See, Papa, look at somebody come. All my efforts are in vain.
Go and look for something. Go and look for the cause of your problem. I gave you a huge amount of money to support your business. Did you make anything out of it? And you're expecting me to give you another one? I'm not having anything to give you. Go and do farm. No way. Learn mechanic. Do any other thing. No, you cannot learn anything. Only to be God. Even your mates are that in the city. Why are you not ashamed of yourself?
Look at. See, it's because of all these fetish practices. Can't you agree? Every time you're met in the city, you're met in the city. Agrogongoro. Papa, let me ask you, Agrogongoro. Your mates are also in the city. They are hustling. Your papa. Even this president of this nation, Otoroato, is older than you. See, let me tell you, Papa, go there and hustle. If you hustle and become a millionaire or billionaire, if I will become a son of a billionaire.
Those things you call fetish, they are fetish in your eye, but I know their importance. Leave them for me. It's not for you, it's mine. Listen, if you like, when you build your own cathedral, build your own mansion, anything you want to do in the house, you do. But for here, leave it for me. It's my house. Go and look at your own house. Papa,
Obanji Abaduna one day. Papa,
Papa,
listen.
Nonsense.
I don't want to.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your mates are in the city. Go, leave me alone. Let me have a rest for you. Nonsense. Let them move here. Every time, let me stop this.
Love you too, baby. Bye now. Okay, so I'll see you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ogome
Thank God Chizoba noticed her on time. I would have been in trouble.
Claiming she loves me, but biting and hurting me. Aku wasiadi, okome gwenumo, efwenumo, okome gwemo, oku wasiadi.
Yes, she's gone. You are a genius. You don't say no they carry last at all. You know they carry last at all.
You gave me the platform to operate, so you are a genius too. Hey, let me go to the office quickly, eh? My love. What? What is it?
Just like that.
What is it? Hmm? Hmm?
You're going to miss you.
You're going to miss me. You're going to miss me. You're going to miss me. See you soon, eh?
Okay. Bye-bye.